Here is a little pumpkin diaper changing kit. Definitely a distinguished product which has pockets with a non-toxic detachable changing mat. Collectively a close at hand kit. This product is very convenient in comparative to other bulky diaper bags. See, it has two mesh pockets. In one pocket we can keep 2 to 3 diapers and in other pocket wipes, sanitizer, rash cream, talc and whatever we require while changing diaper. Now, whenever we need to change the diaper, lie the child on the mat which is really very soft and non-toxic for the child's skin. Now remove the dirty diaper, take a tissue and clean him and make him wear a new diaper. And your child is done. Also, in case if mat gets messy, it is very easy to clean. Just take a wipe and done. Yes, very important. Always keep separate trash bags in mesh pocket to dispose of used diapers and mats. Fold it back. Its size is so perfect that you can keep it in your carry bag. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and share.